guys, the area view of this school you are seeing right there is the school that has the biggest campus in the whole of Brazil. I've made a video about this school before, and I got somebody that sent me an email that he was selected. I'm very happy, and I get to know that the school is also admitting students as we speak. So guys, if your area of study is listed in this school, I kindly beg you to apply. It's a very good school, and guess where the school is? It's in Rio de Janeiro. It is no other school than the Federal Rural University of Rio de Janeiro, and if you are interested, please apply. Again, you can see the massive land space that the school has. It's a very good school. Shooting a drone on this school, is something interesting. And without further ado, I'm taking you straight to the editor, to the call notice, so that you can see. And I'm going to be holding you by hands, showing you the opportunity and how you can apply. Vamos lá. Again, the name of the school is Federal University of Rio de Janeiro, and I'm at the SIGAA of this school right now. As you can see, selection process. I'm also going to be telling you everything you need to know about this selection process. Again, it's a stricto sensu, not lato sensu. Time and again, I've been able to differentiate between what a lato sensu is and what a stricto sensu is. So, for point of clarification, lato sensu is a professional degree, while stricto sensu is purely academic. So, the opportunity I'm going to be showing you today, they are under stricto sensu. There are also some other courses under the lato sensu, but for the course of this video, I don't want to concentrate on this area. So let's go. There are three different opportunities that are currently open in this university. The first one is master's degree in mathematical and computational modeling. If you know that you are very good in this area, or you are looking for opportunity in this area, don't forget, it's not a must that you have a background in mathematics. It could be in computer, it could be in information science, or any related area. So they are looking for 50 vacancies, and it's currently in progress. The second one is master's degree in plants and applied biotechnology. If you have been looking for opportunity in biotechnology, maybe you are looking for opportunity in how to use biotechnology skills, to solve some agricultural problem. Or for example, if you are looking for how to use microorganisms to solve bioremediation, problem. So this is a fantastic opportunity, and look at how many vacancies that is available. 24 vacancies, and it's also in progress. So the third one is master's degree in chemical engineering. Again, don't forget, it is not compulsory that your background must be in chemical. So if your background is in biology, zoology, and every other related area, you can apply for master's degree in plants. If your background is in chemical and every other related area, you can also apply for this chemical engineering. There are 25 opening, and it's currently in progress. Let's take a look at the date when they're going to be closing. This one has been on since this 9th day, on the 9th of June, and it's going to close on the 3rd day in the month of August. This is going to close in the 18th day in the month of July, while this is going to close on the 31st of the month of July as well. So guys, these three opportunities are currently in progress right now. So guys, if you are interested in any of this area, try as much as possible to apply as quick as possible. And if you are not interested, like I always say, please try to share this information with someone that might be interested. It's a very, very good one. So but before I take you by hand and show you how you can apply, how to click, where to click and where to go to, how to navigate the different websites, I'm pleased to announce to you that Gcub have also extended the deadline by 4 days, right? So it's a good news actually. So if you are interested in Gcub, or maybe you have been worried about the deadline, come on guys, said in the last post, only you can stop you. So this is another opportunity. Last year too, some people got it within the space of the days that it was extended last year. So this year too, it has been extended like 4 more days. So it's going to be closing on the 17th of July instead of 13th. So it is actually a commendable step from GCU, because a lot of people have been expressing some kind of downtime, inability to access the website, and they also get to know about this. So they are kind of, let's just give people 4 more days as grace period so that people can get to apply. So guys, I'm trusting that a lot of people will be applying this year, and I'm also trusting God that a lot of people are going to get it. If you have submitted your own application, I want you to drop a comment and say I will get it by God's grace. And I'm also joining my faith with you, trusting God that you will get it. Since it is your dream, it is your desire, you will also get it. Now let's continue with this video. So for the sake, let's just take the first one as sample. So what you need to do is, if you want to know about the program, because each of these courses, each of this program, they also have like a website where you can get to know detail about them. So if you click this part, it's going to take you there, and if you click here, it's going to take you to where you will be able to apply for. So let's click the first one. After clicking that place, it's bringing us to this. This is the program website itself, integrated into SIGAA. So on this page now, there are so many things you can do. You can get to know about the program, the presentation, the area of concentration, the courses, and the curriculum. You can get to know the faculty members. You can get to know the thesis that has been submitted in the past. You could get to know some of the active students. You could get to know some of the research projects. You can get to know their calendar, and of course you can check the selection process, and you can know, if you want to know maybe news about the school, you can also click this part. But this is not where we're going to be doing the application. So here, like I said, we have to, here takes us to this place we just left, but here is going to take us to where we submit the application itself. So if you click here, so it's going to take us to this part. So on this part, you also have detailed information. This page is still part of the SIGAA. So you can see selection process data, master's degree in mathematical and computational modeling, postgraduate program in mathematical and computational modeling. So in this part, you can also get to know a few of the information we've seen earlier, that is the registration period, the numbers of vacancy, specific information, then stages of the selection process. Brazil, they will always tell you that this is how they are going to do it, the homologação, everything you need to know about, because you are not just going to submit an application and be waiting for it like forever. They already, for example, GCUB also, they attached like a calendar on how they are going to assess applications that are submitted. So you will get to see all the information you see here. So in this one now, the final result is going to be coming out in September, on the 2nd day of September, right around midnight. So maybe the next day people can be checking. So that's it. Then here you can see the reserve places by research line. Don't forget that in Brazil they usually have quota for the padrão, the brown, quota for the preta, the black, quota for the quilombolas, and what have you, sometimes quotas for foreign students. So here in this part, you will see the different quota. Then the documents that you need to submit your application. Then description and guidelines for candidates. There's always a description. So some schools will tell you this is how we want your proposal to look like, and that reminds me, one of the things that you need to put together, or one of the things you need to provide to submit for this application is a proposal. You need to also convert your CV to Brazilian academic CV, known as lattice CV. I've made 2 videos about this subject, talking about lattice CV. If you don't know how to do it, you can watch this video, And if you don't know how to write proposal, you can also reach out to me. I can help you to write the proposal. And if you don't want to write the CV, if you don't want to prepare the CV and you don't want to prepare the proposal, but you need someone that could just help you to do everything without you, all what you're just going to be waiting for is congratulations, then why not? You can reach out to me and we can agree on specific terms and I can help you to overhaul everything. Using the help of God and the little experience I have, I can help you to navigate this process. So guys, the news and the announcement and every other information you need to know, you will find them on this particular page. So to start, just click subscribe and it will take you to where you need to fill a form and all of that. So guys, this is what I have for you today. If you are interested, try to apply, and if you are not interested, if you know someone that may be interested, please kindly send this video to the person, and I'm wishing you best of luck. Again, if you are yet to submit your Gcub, the deadline has been extended from 13th to 17th of July. Then if you are seeing this video for the first time, I want you to give it a like and I want you to subscribe. Data shows that most of the people that watch the video, they are non-subscriber. Well, I know that you get value from this channel. Please, I'm begging you, kindly subscribe, and I want you to like. You can also share with someone that may be interested, and I'm wishing you success. You are not just going to be watching video, you are not just going to be seeing information, but I'm praying that as you are seeing this information, it's going to be transforming your life and it's going to be bringing to realization your studying abroad dream. Until the next time I come your way, I can play.